I won't know until I mix up my
No paparazzi.
Hey guys, we're gonna go somewhere. I don't know where we're going. We're going somewhere, but
We're going to a darn church, you dimbo bimbo.
oh. What? Lily's gonna take us on a trip.
Did it unlock? Okay, I unlocked it. Hello! No, go inside. You just leave us alone right now. Liam, stop. Put your head up. This is a girl moment. It doesn't make the noise. Well, it needs to make the noise. Suck my balls. I hate you. I hate this title. Tramps. I mean, why did you not have any lady things in here? She's unladylike. I don't like that. You're mean. Wait, did I finally find her secret pot? And then he waddled away. Waddle, waddle.
I was just gonna sing.
How do you walk through? I'll lock him. Wait. Gotta re-lock him. Let's go. Hi.
How are you?
Good. No. What? This is this.
Where are you on the floor?
My stomach. I don't know where freaking. There's Caramel. Caramel doesn't like people. Caramel. She runs away when I get close enough to her. She hisses at me. Alexander! Alright, roll. I can't stand to be in here.
Why?
Because it stinks!
It smells good.
That live here.
It smells
But then they
good.
got banished to the outside into the pasture, which we will not be going in.
This is gonna be called Lily's farm tour.
That's my cousin's house. I love my cousin. Where are they? They're not even home. That's the blackbird bush. It's probably gonna be. Ah. Ah. You make me sad
Why?
because we never get to hang out anymore because I'm always with my dad.
I know, right?
I'm sad.
Hey guys, we're doing a cookie tasting. So we have this cookie and we have this cookie. I'm eating this one and we're gonna see which one's better.
Maria's gonna ask if she can stay the night. I already know it. Help me. Stop sitting. Oh, I'm sitting down. I stole this from the school cafeteria. Oh! Oh! I already have a broken knuckle.
I hit her scoliosis back. But that was like an 8 out of 10. That was pretty good. I could eat like 10 million of those. Okay, this one.
That one better.
This is so good. Go get me more.
I'll be back. I have to taste test now.
Get me some too. Guys, this one tastes like Hershey. It probably is Hershey.
You want chicken salad sandwich?
I got a taste test. Best for last.
We got more cookies.
This tastes like my grandma's cookies.
Balls.
For future practice. It's empty. For future practice.
Wait out, Lily. You sucked it all.
How did you do that? I'm gonna run out of air and blow up like a balloon.
It went on my camera.
You in the face! I'm gonna. You in the
Let's
face!
see if you got the balls to do it.
I can't reach you.
That's what I thought.
I did it!
Good job, Lily.
What did I say? I didn't get my phone out of my dad's butt.
What? What'd you do?
I didn't get my phone out of my dad's butt. What? Why?
Guys, look at that beautiful sunset.
I'm gonna post it when it's more of a sunset-y sometime. Is Dad going with us?